The reason we're installing treaty medals in our schools is to demonstrate our commitment to learning about treaties and what that means for us as human beings. In an era of truth and reconciliation, we know that we need to commit to learning more as a staff and with our students and with our families and our community.
We noted that on our walls in our school, there's lots of signs and symbols that we have a proud Catholic identity. However, we also noted that there was no signs and symbols that we were treaty people. So the idea was floated that we would have a treaty medal installation. So we had the opportunity to sit at the Treaty 6 table to be able to talk about ways that we could support our teachers in that journey.
Over the course of a year or more, we've spent time studying and listening to elders and other community members just to gather as much perspective as possible to build our knowledge.
We felt that if we're journeying alongside and school as community and school as family, that definitely meant we need to engage our families as well. And it was so significant because our students became the ambassadors to their families. They were the ones that explained what treaty was to their parents. After we had journeyed together for a year, we had planned a celebration for that.
The Treaty Medal installation ceremony was amazing, and as a school I was so proud to see the culmination of all of the work that the students and staff had put into their learning.
It was really important that the students were invested in that process and that they had ownership in that process. So during the ceremony, we had students come up to explain treaty teachings that they had all year. And so they were describing their learning journey.
When I see a treaty medal at the front of a school, I know that that school has put in work into learning about the treaty relationship. And as an Indigenous person, it makes me feel comforted and proud to be part of a school division that is investing in that learning.